Okay, I have a Smart Notebook file open with several slides, and I want to export these to so I can bring them into Xpress and use them there. So I'm going to go to File, Export as, Image Files. And here I'm going to create a folder called Place Value on my desktop. So we'll store all those slides as images there. I'm going to change the size to large and click OK. It's going to ask me if I want to make sure if I want to create that directory, and I'll just say yes. Now it's just exported each of these slides as an image file of its own name in a place value folder here that I created in the desktop. So let's say place value 1, place value 2, place value 3. So each slide is now its own image. So if I open Xpress, I can then import those into Xpress and then be able to annotate on top of them. So I'll click the image button here and then select place value 1 from the folder, and then I'm going to go to slide 2, insert an image, place value 2, and I can do this for all the image files. We are currently working on an import tool which will allow you to select a folder and then it will import all the images and place them on individual pages, so it will sort of semi-automate this process, so you won't have to go to every slide and add the image. It'll just bring them all in. So now if I go back to page 1, I can use all my tools that I like to use, like my shade tool and the spotlight tool. I can also annotate on top of things. So if I annotate on top of the page, I can then deselect my pen and I can drag that image around. I can zoom the whole thing in or out, which gives me the flexibility to be able to have that content there and then annotating next to it. So then I can annotate over here. I can go to page 2. You can look at our vocabulary, go to page 3, which number is written in word form. I can highlight that using my shape tool. Okay, it's going to be, this is the correct answer. So you can use all the tools like you would over top of each page, and those annotations stay with the page. And the pages can have the flexibility of being able to be dragged around, zoomed in, zoomed out. You can also select the images if you wish and move them to full page view, and then you just see just the slide. And all the annotations are removed temporarily, and then when you bring it back to standard view, the annotations are placed back on top of the slide image. Alright, that's how we would import slides from Smart Notebook into Xpress.